Hello, today you're looking at a Greenheck 7.5 horsepower steel exhaust blower brought to you by Lanco. The inlet and outlet on this blower is 48 inches each. Can be wired for 230 or 460 volt, 3-phase. Very nice condition, has never been hooked up to power until today. So congratulations, you're the first person to see it running. Overall dimensions, 74 inches long by 58 inches wide by 80 inches high. We'll now turn it on so you can see and hear it go. Very nice, quiet unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.